What's going on, guys? Mickle here, and in this video I want to get into the XRP price chart. Guys, welcome to crypto. Just the other day it looked like we were ready to blast through this top resistance, break outside of this symmetrical triangle, and now just a few days later here we are battling on this bottom support line and hoping we don't fall through it. Guys, in this video I really just want to get into some updates we had to make to this chart based on the current price action. I want to get into the bullish scenarios, the bearish scenarios, and really tell you guys exactly what you need to be looking out for in the weeks ahead. Guys, if you're new to this channel or come here all the time, make sure you like this video down below and subscribe to my channel. It's going to help me out so much in the YouTube algorithm and help more people like you see this video. Anyway, guys, I really hope you enjoy this content, and let's jump right into it. Alrighty guys, so let's jump right into it. In this video, I really want to show you a couple different charts. I'm seeing a couple different things right now, and I just want to present it all to you guys so you guys are prepared for every scenario and know what to look forward to in the coming weeks. The first thing I want to get into is, despite the fact that XRP has fallen to this bottom support line, I'm really not too worried because it doesn't seem like something that tends to be XRP specific, and it's really a crash that's happening in the entire market. We can see right now that Bitcoin is currently falling too and is retesting its all-time highs, and so is Ethereum. We know when these larger coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum tend to crash, it tends to bring down the entire market, and Bitcoin and Ethereum are both falling right now, so therefore it is not surprising that XRP is also taking it on the chin. It's important to realize that Bitcoin and Ethereum are both well past its all-time highs, and that's why we do expect XRP to also move past its all-time highs in a very parabolic fashion. XRP has a lot of catching up to do, and therefore we know that when this price suppression from the SEC lawsuit's over, we do expect XRP to be making strides like Bitcoin and Ethereum have done over the last couple months. XRP tends to do this in a quicker amount of time, but we're going to have to see exactly how this plays out and once this symmetrical triangle breaks to the upside. Right now, what we're currently watching is XRP battling on the bottom of this support line. We want to see XRP stay above this, and I believe even if we do fall below it, like we saw right here and like we saw right here, it will get scooped up very quickly and pop back into this range. After that, the next thing we have to see is XRP V-bottom out of here and move back into this channel. Until that happens, we really have some time to be accumulating XRP. I love accumulating XRP anywhere when it's near this bottom trend line, and it's something I've been doing for the last couple months. When XRP dipped down here, I accumulated some. When XRP dipped down here, I accumulated some. And when XRP is now dipping down here, I have also been accumulating some. I did the same exact thing when XRP was back here. I accumulated some here, 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 and here, and when you draw these patterns and you are confident you know what's happening and you understand what's happening on the larger time frame, how important XRP is in the greater picture, and how it's going to need to catch up to what Bitcoin and Ethereum have done, you are very confident in the fact that these are really great buying opportunities, and one of the big reasons I'm not worried. With that being said, there are some things we need to be paying attention to, and one of those is the weekly time frame. If you take a look at the weekly time frame, you can see that there really isn't much to be freaked out about, and everything just kind of looks like business as usual. This is why the weekly is one of my favorite charts. It really flushes out of a lot of the short-term noise and high volatility because the weekly candles move slower and take a longer time to develop. With that being said, on this chart, it really just looks like to me that we're finding support again on this bottom support line, and we would really expect to recover out of here, have the price squeeze in the middle of this triangle before we break out to the upside. As long as this weekly candle doesn't start pushing down below this symmetrical triangle, I'm extremely bullish on what we're seeing right now. We're really going to have to see how it plays out, But in terms of the weekly time frame, I don't see anything we should be worrying about right now, and I still think it's a great accumulation point. I also want to get into this other chart right here, and on this chart I essentially just took the weekly the pattern I drew on the weekly time frame and converted it to the daily to try to give us a better idea of what we're watching on the shorter time frame. Right here, what I see happening is XRP bottoming out on this bottom support line. But the difference between this chart and the other daily I drew earlier is that it's this top resistance line has a lesser slope and therefore gives us more time inside of this symmetrical triangle. I know no one wants to see XRP inside of the symmetrical triangle for any more time than it already has been, but the fact of the matter is XRP does not look like it's going to be, in this case, blowing right out of here, right through all these resistances and out to the upside. To my opinion, it looks like XRP is going to have to work its way back into this channel, grind inside of it for a little bit before it breaks out. Therefore, what I am now seeing is XRP coming to the end of this triangle at the end of December, but that does not necessarily mean it will take that long for XRP to get there. We know that XRP tends to break out of these patterns earlier, but right now our main focus really needs to be getting off this bottom support line because it's not a place we like to be. The most bearish scenario is that XRP starts closing candles below this, and while if one or two daily candles closes below this support line, I really wouldn't be too worried. I'd start to get a little more worried if the weekly started closing candles down below it too, and it would really force us to rethink a lot of the things we've been watching. With that being said, none of that is happening yet, and I have a feeling that the second Bitcoin and Ethereum stop retesting their all-time high, we are going to see a nice recovery in XRP off of this bottom trend line and the rest of the market in general. So until XRP or Ethereum really start to take some massive dips, I'm just not too worried, and I really want to see what's going to play out, and I want to see us lift ourselves off this bottom support line. I am going to be feeling way more confident when XRP moves back inside of this channel, or not more confident, just better. No matter how well everything looks, no matter how confident we are in these triangles, it doesn't feel great to watch XRP battle on bottom support lines. It feels a lot better when it's battling on top of the resistance, looking like it's going to break out, but that's just not the situation we're in. Guys, if anything changes, I'm going to make sure to keep you updated here. Right now, for me, this is a buying opportunity, and I'm just going to use this as one last accumulation region before XRP really blasts off to the upside. At the end of the day, we know XRP is undervalued in the market. We know it's in an extremely bullish formation right now, and despite the fact that we're getting some negative price action, it hasn't done anything too crazy or unexpected, and therefore I don't think it's any reason to be shaken out of the market. I hope you guys enjoyed this update. I really just wanted to present you guys with a couple different charts and give you some reasons why you shouldn't be too scared and you should possibly be ready to accumulate some XRP, because the fact of the matter is every single time XRP comes down to one of these bottom support lines over the past couple of years, it's always recovered off of it, and therefore it's highly unlikely that this time it would do something different. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and appreciate this update I brought you. If you're still watching this video, make sure you like the video down below and subscribe to my channel. It's going to help me out so much in the YouTube algorithm. And for now, Mickle out.